Hi Spiders, welcome back to my channel! And hi friend, what's your YouTube?
Natalie Santiro.
Natalie Santiro.
No! Link in the description.
Okay, link in the description.
Oh my god, they're so far ahead.
And right now, we need to catch up to those guys, so we're gonna be running.
Hello YouTube. My
So
name's
I'm
Natalie.
gonna be
back.
going.
Oh! Okay, we're in the nature trail right now. We're running for our lives. While Steven over here. I'll put a link in the description.
So we're doing a nature trail, and you can see nature.
Have you put your camera over?
And so, yeah. What?
Have you put your camera over?
Is this your first vlog?
Yeah.
I'll help you. You got it now? Yeah. She got it now. Why are they getting so far ahead?
Hello YouTube.
They are so far
Natalie.
ahead.
And I have my friend here. Link
Friend!
in the description to his
I'm vlogging too.
YouTube channel. Yeah.
So,
We're gonna do.
so that's pretty much it. This
We're
is a
on
really
a
short
nature
vlog,
trail.
but nature trail. We need to catch up to those guys. So, bye.